In this video, I'm going to show you how to realize authentication for Angular 5. I'm going to use a custom library especially for Firebase authentication. If you want to use this library, you had better refer to the demo project source code and watch this video. At first, we need to download the demo project source. In your command line, type git clone https://github.com/auths/o2authfb service demo. After downloading the project, change directory into o2authfb service demo. Then type npm install for installing it. It will take some time. There is a message of updating npm itself. So I am going to update it. Next we need to get Firebase config data. Of course you need to Firebase account and your own project. If you don't have the account, visit www.firebase.com/login and make your own project. It is free at present. After making your project, select Project Overview menu in the left panel. Next click Add Firebase to Web Application icon in the main panel. You will find the parameters. These are API key, auth domain, database URL, storage bucket, and messaging sender ID. Copy these to clipboard by typing Ctrl and S. Back in the command line, type code. For starting Visual Studio Code, which is a popular code editor for Angular. In the left panel, open src directory and open its subdirectory environments. You will find environments.ts file. Open this file, and add Firebase keyword. And paste the copied parameters. There are red underlines. These are TS-lint warnings. So we are going to change double quotations to single quotations. Alright. Save this file by typing Ctrl and S. Next we need to select Authentication Methods in Firebase. Back in the browser, select Authentication under Develop in the left panel. Then select Login Methods in the main menu. You will find many login methods such as email, telephone, Google, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub and anonymous. In the status column of your target login method, change Disable to Enable for using it. I am going to use email, Google, Facebook, Twitter and GitHub. Back in the VS Code, open another command line in the VS Code by typing Ctrl+@ key. In this command line, start local server by typing ng-serve. It's finished. Back in the browser, open the initial page by accessing http://localhost 4200. You will find the message Home Works, which is a default page. Then change the URL to localhost 4200/signin. This page is for testing login methods. In this page, open the Developer tool, type Ctrl and Shift+I in Chrome, and select Console tab. If you have not logged in yet, you will find is authenticated false. Try to click Login Google button. Of course you need to enable Google login method in advance. You will find Google login pop-up window. If you succeed in the authentication, you will find the messages such as is authenticated true, token, user and so on. Try to click Get Auth Status button. You will find Get User and Logout button. If you click Logout button, you will find is authenticated false. Try to click Login Facebook button. You will find another token and so on. Next click Logout button. You will find is authenticated false. Then click Get Token by Local Storage. You will find the current token saved in the local storage. Token is nothing, because the logout process deleted local storage data. Try to click Login GitHub button. You will find GitHub login pop-up window. Then click Get Token by Local Storage. You will find the current token saved in the local storage. This function is useful because, for example, even if users may access other web pages, this storage token is still effective. Alright. Thank you for watching.